Hi, my name is Steve, and I am the founder of Simply Shreds. When we asked a group of hikers what are the foods that they pack, and if they could change anything about the food, what would it be? And it came down to three things: food that was healthier, additional protein, and improved taste. And when we asked why not just bring healthier, tastier food, it always came down to being inconvenient. Whether it was too heavy, spoiled quickly, or just too much work. So at Simply Shreds, we're trying to change that perception. We believe we have something healthy and convenient for hikers or anyone passionate about healthy, convenient eating. Simply Shreds is premium dried pulled pork. Our meat is marinated overnight, slow cooked, shredded, and then dried. It's extremely soft right out of the bag and ready to eat. But the magical transformation occurs when you add it to any sauce or soup to get pulled pork texture instantly. Simply Shred contains no MSG, no preservatives, no nitrates, or fillers. All our ingredients are things you can probably find in your kitchen. We are considered the healthier alternative to canned meat and bacon. We're shelf-stable for 1 year, and if you're on a hiking trip and open the bag, it'll last a few days, and if you're eating at home, it'll stay fresh in your fridge for a few months. Simply Shred is also super easy to use. Some hikers add it to their existing freeze-dried food or just eat it right out of the bag. But if you're at home and want less time defrosting, marinating, and slow cooking your meat, Simply Shred is perfect for you. It goes great on eggs, fried rice, quesadillas, on salad, making barbecue sliders, and the list is endless. I personally just love adding it to my favorite bowl of ramen. Just drop some shreds, let your meat absorb the flavor of the soup, and get tender pulled pork meat in seconds. But don't take my word for it. Here are some people that have tried our product.
But I'm trying those out to kind of spice up or add some protein to the Mountain House meals and Simply Shreds. And so it's just basically some like pulled pork that's dried, not dehydrated. And it's supposed to be really good when you add it to like more moist type of foods.
It's amazing. Quick, simple, and the macros are really, really good. So before I put this away, you can eat this straight from the pack, which is the best part is you could take this backpacking or camping, add it to any meals, or just walk and eat it, and it's super light, so it'd be a great backpacking dinner.
Okay, so I've eaten like half the sandwich already. It's actually really, really good. So if I'm gonna rate this product, I would give the flavor a solid 8 out of 10, like an 8.5 out of 10. I would give the convenience of it like a 10. Like it just comes out of a package and it's like perfect. And I like the texture, like how shredded it is, so.
Here's the real test and the true critic. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Should we do it again?
We were also rated #1 trail food at Adventure 16 Outfitters. So for the people looking for healthy, convenient meals, or just want to elevate the ramen to the next level, your next question probably is, where can you buy this? Hopefully you could buy us at your local REI store soon.